Hey, Big Elvis with you for a product review. And why not? We got some cool things in. I got a mini fridge in. I didn't bring it in here. Try to get it on the next one. But we got this thing, man cave art, lights and stuff. Let's check it out. Well, there it is. That is the shifting pattern, 6-speed with reverse. It is a lighted deal. So there she is. You can send it way down. That's about as low as it'll go. You can increase the light so you can see how bright it gets there. Pretty cool. Didn't take it all the way out of the plastic, but there you have it. It is on an acrylic deal. So it's pretty thick acrylic, as you can see there. LED lights in behind. Pretty nice, pretty durable. Plugs into USB. So hopefully you can enjoy that at some point. Actually, found it on Temu. There is the thing that controls it. Plugs into a USB power port. Pretty interesting, to say the least. And tell me what you think. Leave a comment below. And it does come with a chain, so you can hook it up and hang it. Comes with these little suction cups, so you can hang it like that. Comes with the instructions, so you can see everything there. You have a USB charger port. It should be able to plug into it. But pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Like I say, leave a comment. Let me know what you think.